there, it's Megan with WTI, and have corkscrews been your friend or your foe in the past? For me, it has definitely been the latter. I don't know if it's my lack of coordination or what it is, but this Ataller wine opener has definitely been a friend to me. It comes with a really handy foil cutter for trimming off the sheath around the top of the wine bottle. I cannot tell you how great this is for me because I have given myself some serious cuts with this before. Now there are no more jagged edges to deal with. It leaves a super clean cut and it makes it super easy to remove the cork. As for the wine opener itself, the whole process could not be simpler or faster. I just have to position the opener at the top of the bottle and push the bottom of the bar button. It does its job without any jerking or shaking. It's really easy to eject the cork after use too. I just have to press the top of the bar button and the wine opener spits out the entire cork. I am a big fan of the fact that I do not have to fuss with batteries for this wine opener. It easily recharges, so it can always be ready to use. Opening a bottle of wine no longer has to be this hazard-filled ordeal for me anymore, thanks to this Ataller wine opener. And that's my point of view.